Today is Friday 11th of April, 11:30 in the morning, so we've got the live market in front of us at the present moment. And as usual, we're looking at November 2014 UK wheat chart. And you can see here that we had this big line downwards trend lasting for almost over a year now, up to a year now. We had this high here of 162. We then pulled that down here to my wave 4 count here, 142. We found support at this 142, which also happens to be previous low here of August, September and October. We're now having a rally off this 152 here. We've hit a high of 156 and we're pulling it back this morning and we're back here at 154. So obviously going back to my earlier wave count we did back in middle of February, we've seen 1, 2, 3 was a high of 162, 4 we've now can tick off. We've seen this 152, and obviously if we now break up and continue onwards and break through so the high here 162, my target for wave 5 is here 168 to 172, and remember we've got that gap fill back here at 167. So all going nicely to plan at the moment. The only trouble is that we could see this take some time here now, because we overextended to the downside in February, we've overextended to the upside of the mean in March, and obviously we need to backfill from this move. And as we saw here in the wheat market, say August, September, October, November, it took 4 months to do that, so we could be in a pattern of sideways action for sort of May, June, July, August. If we are going to see a breakout, I'd like to see this happen before May the 18th. Just go on to have a look at the US wheat chart. You can see here that we've had this touch of this breakout right up to here, the high of 720. We've pulled back down here to 661, and we're just holding the 200-day moving average at the moment over the week, the monthly pivot, but obviously doing the same as we're seeing on the UK wheat, that we're just going sideways after this such a move up. It's consolidating, coming back to the mean. Have a look finally on oilseed rape, and you can see here it's in a nice upward sloping channel. We saw this low here 395, took out this high here of 415, and see no reason why we can't go up to test the recent high on this chart at 435, 430. So that's looking an upwards channel still at the present moment. Just finally look at what the price is doing at the present moment. We're here, we can see that we're down slightly this morning. What are we seeing? Volume of only 5 lots, so not a big volume. Also not a big open interest on this contract, 6,947, but I suppose not too bad for this time of year. But it's interesting to see that November 15 at the moment is trading at 151 to 157, but has only got 382 lots, so indication that not a lot of new crop for 2015 has been traded and got open positions at the present moment. But obviously just going back to that old crop wheat chart, so obviously we would like to see this continue to wind through, holding support here 158. I wouldn't like to see a breakdown below this 148, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.